Hi there. Are you eager to join the fun on TikTok and create your very own account? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the process of creating a USA TikTok account in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the TikTok app from your device's app store. Once it's installed, open the app. Step 2. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page. Step 3. If you already have a TikTok account, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Log Out. If you're a first-time user, you can skip this step. Step 4. Tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Step 5. Choose your preferred method of signing up. You can use your email address, phone number, or social media accounts like Facebook or Google. Select the option that suits you best. Step 6. Enter your desired username and password. Make sure to choose a unique username that represents you. Step 7. Now, here's the trick to creating a USA TikTok account. Before entering your birth date, make sure to select the United States in the region option. Step 8. Enter your birth date and tap on the Sign Up button. Congratulations! You've successfully created your very own USA TikTok account. Now, you can start exploring the endless possibilities of TikTok. Don't forget to follow your favorite creators, like, comment, and share the content you love. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide on creating a USA TikTok account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tips and tricks. Happy TikToking!